I want to share an urban legend suggesting the universe's expansion is interference from another dimension. Hypothesis involves the universe's expansion due to interdimensional interference. Part of the frontline research in modern cosmology, it provides an important perspective to deepen our understanding of the origins of the universe and its future. By exploring this theme, how our view of the universe is extended. Let's take a look at the scientific basis together. Space observation history and its significance. The observance of the universe is American astronomers' work in the 1920s. Edwin. It was first observed by Happel. He discovers that distant galaxies are moving away from us. We summarize this phenomenon in a law known as Happel's law. This law shows that the rate at which galaxies recede is proportional to their distance. It suggests that the entire universe is expanding. Big Bang Theory. The most widely accepted theory about the expansion of the universe is the Big Bang Theory. According to this theory, the universe was extremely hot about 13.8 billion years ago. From high density to expansion, it is said that it has reached its current extent, expansion mechanism. To explain the expansion of the universe, various factors are taken into account. Dark energy. Recent findings indicate the expansion of the universe. It is clear that it is accelerating. As a cause of this acceleration, dark energy has been proposed. Dark energy is thought to account for about 70% of the total energy density of the universe. Its true identity still remains a mystery. Gravitational interaction. In the process of expansion, gravity's influence is crucial. Gravity of matter. Slow the expansion of the universe. I have the power. Understanding dimensions, conceptualizing dimensions. Another dimension refers to dimensions beyond the three-dimensional space and time that we perceive. This concept plays an important role in several theories of physics. Multidimensional cosmology. Some physicists it proposes that our universe has a high-dimensional structure. For example, the crane theory holds that the universe has 10 or more dimensions. According to such a theory, the three-dimensional space we perceive is parallel universes. Parallel world. The concept of another dimension. Parallel is also related to Aldo and the theory of parallel universes. According to these theories, different dimensions may have different physical laws and life forms. Interference and cosmic expansion. The hypothesis that interference from another dimension is involved in the expansion of the universe. Next up, it is based on considerations. Influx of energy. Interference from another dimension could bring energy to our universe. This energy, interacting with dark energy, it may play a role in accelerating the expansion of the universe. Influence of gravity. Gravitational waves and energy flows from different dimensions affect the structure of gravity in our universe. It can lead to changes in the mechanism of inflation. This means that gravity changes through interactions with different dimensions. Initially theorized, physics theory and interdimensional relevance. To understand how different dimensions contribute to the expansion of the universe, several physical theories need to be considered: principal theory and higher dimensions. In the original theory, composed of the brain's structure, it is believed to be composed by the brain. Based on this theory, our universe exists on this grain. Expansion can be caused by interaction with other dimensions. Cosmic energy flow. Energy from another dimension. It can be thought of as affecting the energy density and expansion rate of our universe. Exploring how this energy contributes to the structure and evolution of the universe is the key to a deeper understanding of the universe. Relevance to energy. Considering interdimensional interference's effects, considering the effects of interference from different dimensions, it's a very interesting approach. Energy transfer, energy from another dimension. It may contribute to dark energy statements. This idea is that it provides a perspective that dark energy is actually caused by another dimensional influence, dark energy fluctuations. By interference from another dimension, the density and nature of dark energy may change. Thus, it is possible that the expansion rate of the universe changes with time. 4. Observation and demonstration of cosmic expansion. To test the hypothesis about the expansion of the universe and the interference of different dimensions, cosmic microwave background radiation. Next, relevant observational methods and empirical approaches are considered. Observations of cosmic background radiation is an important clue to the early state of the universe. Cosmic background radiation. CMB is mentioned. CMB is radiation that remains as a remnant of the Big Bang. It provides important information about the expansion of the universe, detection of interdimensional influences. Different dimensions interfere. Interference from different dimensions. We may get clues to explore how it contributes to the expansion of the universe. Gravitational wave research. Gravitational waves are the structure and phenomena of the universe. It's a new way to understand. It is important to consider how interference from different dimensions affects gravitational waves. Gravitational wave observation? Advancing new observation techniques to study different dimensions is we may be able to explore how interdimensional interference affects gravitational waves. Future research on interference in 5 dimensions. The development of new observational techniques to explore the effects of different dimensions is high-precision space telescopes. Next, I will describe its possibilities and future research directions. Development of new observation techniques. High-precision space telescope. Current space telescopes are... It is designed to observe distant galaxies and cosmic background radiation, but may have specialized capabilities for observing the effects of extra dimensions of the next generation of telescopes. In particular, the development of telescopes that can detect energy and gravitational waves from different dimensions is gravitational wave instruments like LIGO and Vargo. Gravitational wave observation instruments such as LIGO and Vargo. It is expected to introduce new methods for observing interactions with different dimensions in the future. Thus, we may be able to detect patterns that gravitational waves are good at when they are affected by different dimensions. Applications of quantum technology. With advances in quantum physics, a new approach for direct observation of interactions with different dimensions may be possible by using quantum communication technology. Methods may be developed to measure the impact from another dimension, building an evolutionary model for theoretical approaches. To quantify the effects of interdimensional interference on the expansion of the universe requires creating detailed theoretical models to understand energy influx from different dimensions and gravity fluctuations. Mathematically describing how these influences affect the universe's expansion. Using simulation methods? Using computer simulations, it is important to simulate the effects of interdimensional interference on the evolution of the universe. By comparing the simulation results with the actual observation data, the presence of interdimensional effects might be verified. Conclusion: the interdimensional interference hypothesis. It has the potential to fundamentally change our understanding of the origins and evolution of the universe. Exploring different dimensions effects, we can gain a new perspective on the nature of the universe. It may lead to unknown scientific discoveries. This study, beyond the framework of physics, philosophical, also inspires crucial discussions from a cultural viewpoint. How it affects the structure of our universe and its future, exploring whether it can be... It will be the highest cake in the universe and the meaning of our existence. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.